Shibaile.
Daily list for motion, item 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Read petition.
For
Permit.
releasing of seized vehicle.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Why a writ petition has been filed?
My vehicle has been detained on 13th.
No, why a writ petition has been filed? There is other provision you could have applied for.
CGM cannot entertain.
Why?
They never addressed the court. They never addressed the court.
Sorry?
They had never addressed the court.
Miss Linda? Why this petition has been filed under 226 for releasing of the vehicle?
My lord, in their list of dates, they have mentioned that on 28/5/2025, the ZMA was attempted before the Chief Judicial Magistrate,
Yes.
and it could not be conducted on the ground of failure to produce any kind of report.
So against that order, a revision could have been filed?
Yes,
Criminal revision? But how a writ petition?
that's what, my lord. I think it's better to approach the Chief Judicial Magistrate.
There is a procedure. You have a look at it. I'll take it up tomorrow. You have a look at it. Read the appropriate provisions. Because this is a 226,
Yes.
isn't it? Tomorrow? Tomorrow is a DB. And Thursday. Release Thursday. You have a look at it, how a writ petition.
Item 2.
Yes, release of vehicle.
Yes, my lord.
Day after tomorrow.
First time.
Before this court, it's first time.
So I'll issue notice then.
Okay, my lord.
Issue notice. MS Mary,
Yes.
Miss Mary so and so accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. Extra copies within the course of the day. List on when?
If I may, 22nd of this month,
All right.
because
Miss
it's
Mary?
a simple matter.
Yes.
List on 22nd, 7/2025.
Highly obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
My lord,
Yes, execution.
it's a revision,
Yes, against an order of
execution.
execution, right?
Yes, my lord.
You are for the respondent.
I am for the respondent number 1.
Who is appearing for the petitioner?
Miss Caroline used to appear, but
None appears for the petitioner. Yes?
we were trying to make a settlement outside the court, so
That is all right, but where is the. Anyway, then, should I record your presence?
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS Linda so and so is present for the petitioner as well as Mr.
Zoram
JC.
Chana. Zoram Chana.
Joram Channel, Learned Counsel for respondent number
1.
1 is present as prayed for, as jointly prayed for, relist when?
After 3 weeks, my lord.
After 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 4.
Mapui, getting it now? Yes, Mr. Malhotra.
May I please, Your Lordship? This is a petition under,
FIR Quashing.
yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in fact, the facts of the case are that on the early morning of 1st of January 2024, the petitioner had met with an accident. He had sort of accidentally hit one person who had died due to the injuries suffered by him. Subsequently, Your Lordship, the petitioner had made an compromise settlement with the father of the deceased, and 6 lakhs was paid. And after that, the sister of the deceased had also filed an MACT claim. And even that was settled between them by paying the sister of the deceased another 15 lakhs. So altogether 21 lakhs was paid by the petitioner to the father and sister of the deceased. And so, Your Worship, due to the compromise settlement reached between the parties, this application has been filed under 482 for quashing the proceedings.
It's a joint petition.
No, the father of the deceased is implemented as respondent number 6, Your Worship.
So the notice will go.
In fact, notice has already gone.
You are for the respondent number
6.
6.
Yes, my lord.
Compromised.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the compromise deed?
Page 50.
Page 50 is the Mizo version and page 50A.
Yes. 51A, right?
Yes. After 51. Yes.
Yes. So Lalnui Kima is who?
Lalrod Kima is the petitioner, Your Worship. He was the one who was writing the.
So
right?
the
Yes.
accused.
Yes, he's the accused. David Lal Remsanga is the father of the deceased.
Second party is who? And David.
Yes.
He is the father of the deceased.
Yes.
Father at this Hima, that is the deceased.
Yes, Mama Izuala.
Deceased.
Yes. This is the subsequent agreement.
Yes. And by this agreement, what happened?
This is the second agreement which was again executed on 2nd of December 2024 between the sister of the deceased, who is the second party, and the father of the deceased, again, who is the third party. The petitioner is the first party. Again, in this, Your Worship, since the sister had approached the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, the petitioner had again entered into a compromise with her and had paid a sum of 15 lakhs for settling the matter.
She is the sister.
She's the sister.
She is also a party here.
She was not made a party in the petition, Your Worship, in the present petition, but subsequently, since she had approached the MACT, a compromise was executed between them by paying her 15 lakhs.
But these are non-cognizable offences.
I understand, Your Worship, there are some Delhi High Court judgments, Your Worship.
Yes, please.
Your Worship, this judgment
Yes.
in Shoaib Kohli versus State GNCT of Delhi.
Yes.
This is 2023 SCC Online Delhi, page 527. This was also case under section 279/304A IPC. And here also on the basis of the compromise reached between the parties, the FIR was quashed and the subsequent proceedings were also quashed. On the
Which
basis
para?
of, para 7, Your Worship. If I made it from para 7.
Yes.
Now the third memorandum of understanding settlement dated 17/1/23 has been arrived into between the petitioner and respondent number 2, widow of the deceased, and mother of respondent number 3, Mohammad Arif Hussain, and respondent number 4, Nazima Parveen. As per terms of settlement dated 17/1/2023, the parties have agreed to the following terms and conditions. That party of the first part has agreed to make a payment of rupees 25 lakhs to the party of the second part, being compensation on humanitarian ground for loss of life of late Shri Najrul Islam towards her and her 2 minor children.
So because here it has been clearly said, agreement has been entered into between the parties with a view to resolve the dispute and differences and to amicably settle their disputes between each other. But in this agreement, nowhere this has been mentioned in the agreement.
Yes.
Where all this have been given?
Your Worship will see.
I'm talking about the agreement which you have annexed with the father. David received rupees so and so on this day from so and so to signify his forgiveness. Moreover, David will not approach anywhere or any court tribunal against so and so for anything whatsoever apart from this agreement.
And Your Worship, but in the second agreement,
That is with someone else.
no, Your Worship, David is also a party. David is the third party.
Yes.
Your Lordship will see David Lal Remsang is the third party.
This we are concerned with criminal petition number 12 of 2024
Yes,
and criminal trial list 271.
yes. So even in the second agreement, David, the father of the deceased, is a party to the agreement. So, Your Worship, the second agreement, which was executed on 2nd of December 2024.
One second. The second case that you're relying, just
Yes.
Priya. Which
Quashing.
para?
Your Worship, in this also,
279337 IPC. Which para?
I'll first read para 2, Your Worship.
Yes.
Although initially the grounds urged in support of quashing of the FI were limited to settlement arrived at between the parties, during the course of submissions, learned counsel for the petitioner in the alternative also addressed submissions on the merits of the case. And Your Worship, the Honorable High Court had delved into the merits of the case, had first looked into what are the ingredients for section 279. and-
This is not required.
Yes. But Your Worship, even otherwise, Your Worship,
Yes, what you want to show from the second agreement?
no, second agreement, if Your Lordship will see, in the second page, last paragraph.
with the execution.
With the execution of this agreement, the second party and third party will make no objection but shall assist/support the first party in the criminal petition number 12 of 2024 pending before the Honorable Guwahati High Court Aizawl bench for quashing the FIR number 1 of 2024 and criminal trial number 271/2024 once and for all. Next page. And if the criminal petition number 12 of 2024 pending before the Honorable Guwahati High Court Aizawl bench is dismissed, the second and third party will assist the first party in the criminal trial number 271 of 2024 pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Aizawl, Mizoram for his acquittal/discharge.
So 15 lakhs has been received by the second party and
6 lakhs
6
by the
lakhs
first
by the
party.
third party.
Yes. by
Third party is the father.
Third party is the father.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, since an settlement has been reached between the parties, we have no objection if the application is allowed.
All right. Mapul, take it. Heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Stop. Also heard Mr. Zoram Chana, learned counsel, appearing for respondent number 5.
6.
Respondent number 6 and M.S. Linda, learned PP, appearing for the state. By way of this petition, under section 482 CRPC, the petitioner is seeking quashing of the FIR dated 1/1/2024 along with the inquiry report dated 1/1/2024, the investigation report stroke charge sheet number 30 stroke 2024 dated 8/2/2024 and the proceedings of criminal trial number 271 stroke 2024 pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class 1 Aizawl. Stop. The grounds in support of the quashing of the proceedings of the criminal trial number 271 stroke 2024 pending before the learned jurisdictional magistrate court is primarily on the ground that a settlement has been arrived between the accused petitioner and the complainant stroke respondent number 6 along with other family members of the deceased. Stop. Brief facts of the case is that on the night of 31/12/2023 at around 10 p.m., counsels, please take your seat. The petitioner and his friends Mapui, cancel that please. Brief facts of the case is that on the night of 31/12/2023, the accused petitioner accidentally hit Mangait Zwala, Zwala, who was lying on the main road by his vehicle, by his bike on his way back home. And so, just give the name. Though was taken to the hospital, ultimately succumbed to his injuries and died on that same day, right? Yes. And died on the same day. Stop. Thereafter, respondent number 5. Here everywhere it is mentioned as 5. Who filed the FIR filed by 5 or 6?
FIR was filed by the police, Your Worship, that is at page 17.
So that is 5.
Respondent number 5.
Thereafter, respondent number 5 ASI Lalum Puya lodged an FIR dated 1/1/2024 before the jurisdictional police station for registering a case against the petitioner, and accordingly the said FIR was registered as ISOL PS case number 1/2024 dated 1/1/2024 under section 279/304 capital A IPC, read with section 181/185 Motor Vehicles Act so and so, give the year, against the petitioner, and the respondent number 4 took up the investigation. After completion of the investigation, the charge sheet dated 8/2/2024 was submitted before the trial court. Thereafter, in the meantime, while the matter was pending before the trial court, the petitioner had reached an amicable settlement with the respondent number 6, who is the father of the deceased, Lalam Gai Zwala, by executing an agreement dated 13/1/2024 in the presence of witnesses. In view of the aforesaid settlement arrived between the parties, the present quashing petition has been filed. Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, submits that in view of the settlement arrived between the parties and the father and the sister of the deceased having already received compensation as agreed under the settlement deeds, the matter, continuation of the criminal trial is not justified. Stop. In support of his submission that even in cases arising out of section 279/304 capital A IPC, in the event a settlement is arrived between the parties, this court, in exercise of its inherent powers, can quash the pending criminal proceedings, cited the decision of the Delhi High Court in the case of Sohab Khoel versus State GNCT of Delhi and others. Reported in 2023 SSE Online DEL 527. He further places the deed of agreement dated 2/12/2024 entered between the sister of the deceased, I. Srimati Nancy Lal Nun Pui, and the respondent number 6, to show that both the sister as well as the respondent number 6 has received compensation from the petitioner and has agreed to settle their differences and disputes and end the criminal trial going on before the jurisdictional trial court. Stop. Heard the learned counsels, Mr. Zoram Chana, learned counsel, appearing for the respondent number 6, concedes to the submissions made by Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel, appearing for the petitioner, and further submits that the father as well as the other family members, the deceased, having settled the matter with the petitioner and having received the compensation as agreed under the settlement arrived between the parties, has no objection if the pending criminal proceeding against the petitioner is set aside and quashed. Anything? MS Linda at APP submits that she has received no instructions to oppose the prayer made in this criminal petition, in view of the fact that the matter has been settled by the parties. Right? Now you say, heard the learned counsels appearing for the parties and have perused the materials placed before this court, as well as the case laws cited at the bar. Apt at the outset, to refer to the agreement dated 13/1/2024, entered between the petitioner and the respondent number 6, which reads as hereunder, quote unquote, page 51, capital A. Okay? Reading of the aforesaid agreement, it is apparent that the father of the deceased has agreed to, reading of the so and so, it is apparent that the petitioner handed over rupees 6 lakhs check bearing check number 534228 dated 13/1/2024 to the father of the deceased by seeking forgiveness, and the respondent number 6 received the same amount and after receiving the same, by entering the aforesaid agreement, has agreed that he shall not approach anywhere or any court stroke tribunal against the petitioner and shall okay, stop, huh? It appears that the agreement has been signed by the petitioner as well as the father of the deceased, as well as in the presence of independent witnesses. Correct? Stop. It further appears that pursuant to the aforesaid agreement, another agreement dated 2/12/2024 was entered between the petitioner and the sister of the deceased, i.e. Nancy Lalnunpui, and the respondent number 6, which reads as hereunder, quote unquote. This is this copy. Reading of the aforesaid agreement, it appears that pursuant to the settlement arrived between the petitioner and the father of the deceased, i.e. respondent number 6, the petitioner paid a sum of rupees 15 lakhs in cash on 2/12/2024 to the sister, and upon receiving the same, the sister of the deceased accepted the same in full and final consideration of the claim made by her in MACT number 21/2024. It further appears that the respondent number 6 has also agreed that since he has also received the rupees 6 lakhs as compensation for the said accident in terms of the agreement dated 13/1/2024 as referred above, comma, he has forgiven the petitioner. It further appears that with the execution of the aforesaid agreement, both the respondent number 6 and the sister of the deceased agreed that they shall have no objection but shall assist, support the petitioner in the criminal petition number 12/2024 pending before the in the don't say in the present criminal petition pending before this court for quashing the FIR in question and the criminal proceeding and the subject criminal proceeding. Thus, it is evident that in pursuant to the aforesaid settlement arrived between the parties, the present petition has been filed for quashing the ongoing criminal proceedings. It is an admitted case that the petitioner has that the respondent number 6 has already received a sum of rupees 6 lakhs and the sister of the deceased has also received a sum of rupees 15 lakhs against her claim made before the Motor Accident Claim Tribunal. Stop. Taking into account the totality of the facts and circumstances, comma, the FIR dated 1/1/2024 and the under section 279/304 capital A IPC red with give those MVX so and so registered at police station
Aizawl Police.
registered at Aizawl Police Station and the proceedings of criminal trial number 271/2024 pending before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class 1 Aizawl are quashed.
I will.
The present petition accordingly stands disposed of. Mahapri, you take this, give this to. All right.
Item 5.
Yes, Your Lordship, I am representing the respondent number 1 to 6, state government.
Mr.
And
Das,
Lordship,
tender,
tender,
canteen,
canteen, Lordship, what is happening?
you're not being allowed to run.
No,
You're the highest tenderer.
I was the highest tenderer, my bid was rejected on some grounds which are not sustainable, Lordship.
One of the ground was there.
Today it has come for admission.
Just come for admission.
Yes, ma'am?
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm seeking another time to submit my affidavit in opposition.
Why you have not
I have
submitted till
received-
now?
I have received the comment, but however, some of the inexia, they are not clear enough. So we have
Why
to
you
make
did not inform Mr. Das? He's come from outstation. You could have informed him if you are seeking an adjournment.
Informed today morning.
Huh?
We were informed today morning.
Yes. There is no problem in accommodating.
Worship, my learned friend has taken 7 months to file her affidavit. I think since she's got the paravise comments, she can file it within a week.
Who has taken 7 months?
The government
Government has taken 7 months.
to file the counter.
It's still not filed.
Still not filed.
Actually, we have received the comment, Your Lordship.
Very
But
well, you
some of
file
the-
it.
some of
There is
the
no
inexia-
difficulty, but you can always, as a courtesy, you could have informed, you know the outstation lawyers are appearing. Yes or no?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So whenever you want an adjournment in a matter where there are outstation lawyers, at least give a call in advance. It saves their time to come all the way. Anyway, Mr. Das, I'm allowing the adjournment. How much time?
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time. Mr. Malhotra, you are for?
I'm for the private respondent.
The one who is
Allotted.
allotted.
Worship, there's a stay order. That is why, I mean, the longer it is
So
pending,
you are also
In a hurry.
in a hurry.
We are all in a hurry, Lord.
Yes.
but, 2 weeks is more than enough, I think. She's already received the paravise comments.
So you file it then. I'll take it up on Tuesday. Huh? You are not happy with Mr. Malhotra's statement? Huh? All right, how much time?
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
3 this court will not give you. 2 weeks. A fixed date.
Fixed it, Lordship.
Give a date after 2 weeks.
31st July.
Heard Mr. M.K. Das, right?
M. Das.
M. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Also heard M.S. M.S. Vani, so-and-so, Learned Government Counsel.
Government.
And Mr. A.R. Malhotra, Learned Counsel, appearing for
Respondent 7.
respondent number 7. M.S. Vani, so-and-so, seeks further 3 weeks' time to file the return. It appears that there is a stay operating in view of the fact that there is a stay, that the allotted work in question has been stayed. This court unhesitantly accommodates the state government by allowing a period of further 2 weeks to file the return, failing which the matter shall be proceeded in accordance with law, list on such and such date.
Can it be on the 4th of August, Lord? Can it be on the 4th of August?
All right,
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship, the interim order to continue.
interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Item 6.
Mr. Malhotra, you are going to be in trouble today. Ms. Vani is not going to leave you.
I know, she's very angry with me.
Yes. What is this?
Make appeal, my lord. Lordship, we have filed our affidavit incorporating the newspaper publication.
You are?
We are for the appellant.
You are going to file what?
We are filing the affidavit
Affidavit for
Yes.
what?
incorporating the newspaper publication
All right.
against respondent.
As prayed for by Mr.
No, my lord, we have already filed it.
You filed it.
So if notice be deemed complete for respondent 2 to 4.
For 2, 3 and 4.
Yes, my lord.
I'm for the respondent number 1, my lord.
You are
Claimant.
for 1.
Claimant, yes.
So what is to be done?
My lord, if notice be deemed complete for respondent 2 to 4, it may be posted up for hearing.
All right. This was done on
1st July.
1st?
1st July. The
No,
affidavit.
on 21st July, right?
No, 1st July, we have filed the affidavit on 1st July.
No, the newspaper was done on
Newspaper
21st June.
21st June and 27th June.
27 June. So let it be there for some time.
Yes, my lord.
It appears from the affidavit filed by the petitioner,
Yes, appellant.
appellant, that in terms of this court's order dated 10/6/2025, steps against the respondent numbers 2, 3 and 4 by way of substituted service through newspaper publication has been done on 21/6/2025 and 27/6/2025 in one local daily newspaper. I1 Laini
Vanglani, yes, my lord.
in quotes, huh? Stop. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 7.
First time, Mr. Lalfa Kwama,
Yes, Your Lordship.
so I'll admit it's a statutory appeal. Admit. Notice by registered post AD within a period of 3 days from today. List after, I call for the trial court records
My lord.
from,
Aizol.
no, from the court of,
The Court of the Civil Judge, Senior Division 3, Aizol.
from the court of the civil judge, senior division 3, Aizol, judicial district, Aizol, in Hairship case number 742 of 2019. List after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, I filed one IA for stay.
Huh?
I filed one IA for staying the operation.
What stay?
Stay of the judgment in order, passing the airship certificate case.
Why? What is wrong?
Your Lordship, we have apprehension that they might take steps for mutation of the property.
How does it prejudice? Mutation can be cancelled later on.
That is true, my lord, but
Then
it makes
notice.
unnecessary.
Notice in I also, huh?
Very well, my lord.
For orders, item 8.
153 days. What about the service of respondent number 3? Respondent number 3, yes.
My lord, I'm appearing for the respondent number 1.
What about 3? The notice has returned unserved with a postal remark, address not complete. Have you seen?
My lord.
Have you seen the office note or not?
No, my lord. No.
Why? Why have you not seen? This is for orders. When matters are posted before this court, under the order column, the basic duty of the council is to see why matters are placed for orders and assist the court. Right?
I apologize, my lord.
No, it's all
Yes,
right, but
madam.
next time you do that because that
Madam.
saves the judicial time. So you provide the complete address.
My lord, actually the respondent number 3 is the driver of the bus.
Whatsoever, but now you have to take fresh steps.
All right, my lord.
Yes, please write. It appears that the notice sent to it appears from the office note dated 4/7/2025 that the notice sent to the respondent number 3 has returned unserved with a postal remark within quotes address not complete, RTS addressee cannot be located, quotes closed. In view of the aforesaid, Mr.
Benjamin Lathamon,
So and so, learned counsel for the
appellant.
applicant seeks 2 weeks' time to take fresh steps. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
No obliged.
First time, 189.
Item 9.
Mr. Alpha Kwama,
Yes, Your Lordship.
state or there is...
Private respondents.
All right, notice.
Yes, my lord. I will be appearing for respondent number 1.
MS so and so accepts notice for R1, steps by registered sport AD within 3 days in respect of the other respondent. List after 3 weeks on a date to be so and so.
Obliged.
Hearing list, item 3.
Item 3. 1 second. This is a 2, no? Okay. Laling Liana, right?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. This is a criminal appeal, my lord.
This is under
This is under the conviction is under
POCSO.
POCSO, yes, my lord.